Frugal friends, hello, welcome back. I just picked up this big, huge box from our P.O. box. Went and dropped off all those eBay packages and picked this up. And this awesomeness is from Laura Puhala. So excited, Laura. So excited. Okay. You go play. You'll see all this after. I've been kicking all the kids out to play, go with friends, so that I can do this in peace and finish up all these other things that I'm trying to work on in peace. Tomorrow, they are back in school. It's the last day of summer. They need to go play with friends. Okay. So, for starters, we have a whole bunch of denim fabric. Laura knows that I am into sewing and all of that. So that's exciting. Oh, look at these. If you hear some funny noise in the background, that is my darling husband. He's working on one of his bikes. They're his thing, biking, and he is spinning the wheels. Anywho, we've got some lovely earrings. They're the Dreamcatcher earrings. Very pretty. We love jewelry in this family. Love, love, love. All right. Look how cute these are. And Laura is a fellow dumpster diver. So Laura, please tell us in the comments how much of this is from the bins. I mean, if it's 100% from the bins, that is amazing. It's okay if it's not, but it would be really cool. Okay. All right. So we have some adorable little notepads, some sunglasses. Those always come in handy. A whole bunch of odds and ends. They look like cake decorating, and oh look, Olivia's gonna love these. They're the little clowns that you put on cakes. She's really into doing those right now. All kinds of baking and such. Oh, some old school jacks. That's awesome. See, we got lots of just odds and ends, fun stuff, crafting, whole bunch of, oh, so we've got tacks, we've got rings, we've got erasers, we've got rubber bands, crayons, my goodness. Okay, she had mentioned that some of this would probably be good for school. She was right. We have some egg wrappers for Easter. I'll put those up in our Easter supplies. Oh, look at all these. Okay, whole bunch of odds and ends, whole bunch of ponies. What is it about ponytails? We go through them like crazy. Do you guys go through this? And the thing is, when we deep clean the house, then I find like 500 ponytails. I don't know why they don't just end up back in the little drawer where they're supposed to. So yeah, we are constantly needing ponies. Look at this little elephant. Oh, so cute. Oh, he's adorable. Okay. I do tend to get caught up on one item at a time, but we're going to move on through. We have a whole bunch of little flag picks. You can put those like on cupcakes or whatever. We have some cards, Batman Returns and G.I. Joe. That's awesome. Oh, Batman Returns. Good old Michael Keaton. All right. Some odds and ends here. Tinkerbell and the Lost Treasure for Leapfrog. We've got spooky stuff, Halloween stuff. Oh, this is great. We've got highlighters, and I think these are also highlighters. These triangle things. Pretty sure those are also highlighters, so that's awesome. We have a brand new notepad right here. We go through these like crazy because the kids like doing flip books that are, you know, to look like it's a movie. So they draw 100 pictures and then you flip through it really fast. And so it looks like people are like moving and little stick figures are dancing and stuff like that. I know that's what these will be used for. Absolutely. Oh, look at all these paper clips. We will never need paper clips again. And they're not just your boring, regular silver metal paper clips. Oh, no. Look at these. Look at these. They're like stripy. All different colors. It's the simple things in life, including colorful paper clips. All right. Oh, wow. She was not kidding. She was not kidding. Holy cow. Pens, pencils, and look, those are all sharpened. A whole bunch of sharpened pencils. What movie is that? Is it You've Got Mail with Meg Ryan and Tom Hanks, where she talks about bouquets of sharpened pencils? Well, we love sharpened pencils. We never, like, I don't know why it is, but, well, no, I do know why. It's because we don't keep up with keeping them sharpened. And so then you just have a whole bunch of dull pencils or broken pencils. And there's no excuse for that when, hello, we dumpster dive at public schools. We just need to stay on top of that. But we are starting the school year off right with bouquets of sharpened pencils. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, that's fantastic. ABC and 1, 2, 3. And it even has batteries in it. Laura, you have outdone yourself. Let's see. It's Learning Resources brand. And it's little games for your ABCs and your 1, 2, 3s. How cool is that? Oh, wow. Okay, I don't know what these are, but they're awesome. Oh, they're Fidget Friends newbies. So the kids snuck back in. I'm guessing friends weren't home?
Yeah, only Alex.
So I was going to make them wait until I had gone through everything, but they're back in here. So I am going to kick them back out again, though, because you guys need some outside time before school starts. Look at all these little... Do they make noise? Because they've got batteries. And they have little speaker things, so duh, obviously they make some kind of noise.
Can we use those outside?
Yes, you may use... Hey, that's a great idea. They're going to take these and use them outside. How perfect. They're going to figure out how these work and figure out if we need to put batteries in. We'll see. But anyway, they're going. How perfect. That worked out really well. Ooh, oh, this is awesome. More rulers. Okay, I don't know how many of you know that I'm working on a ruler project because, like I said, I dumpster dive primarily at public schools during the summer. And so I have mountains of rulers, but I'm making something with them. So this is awesome, adding these to the collection because I need probably double what I have right now. So I may not get it done until next summer, but it's gonna be awesome. I don't want to give too many hints, but just know that they're gonna be like bricks, that the rulers are all gonna be staggered on this thing that I'm doing, and they're gonna be like bricks. Anyway, so this is awesome. Okay, then go down here, whole bunch of folders and dividers. Oh, these are nice ones. These are really nice. They're your like report covers. Olivia is now in junior high. Yeah, we went this morning for this orientation and everything and to find all of her classes and, you know, get to know how to use her locker and all that silliness. Oh my gosh, junior high. So stuff like this, like report covers and things like this for projects, these are going to come in so handy. I know that they will. And we had thought we would only need like one big binder and then like have dividers. No, come to find out like 3 or 4 of the teachers want their own individual binder for that class, which is fine because we found tons of binders in the bins, but it just wasn't what I was expecting or planning on. Ooh, even some graphing paper. I'm gonna keep that for me because I use it. I did get certified in interior design, and this kind of paper is so fun for doing layouts of rooms. And when I'm in, there are times when I'm bored and have nothing else to do. They're rare, but they happen. And when that happens, I like to dream because it's fun. Okay. Oh, even some paper. We will add that to our crafting supplies, which I need to get our crafting station organized. Oh, guys, encourage me, please, because that has got to get done. We have a huge bag, ooh, and a letter. And it does not say if, you know what, but I think she won't mind. Laura, I hope you don't mind if I read this. Just glancing over, I think we'll be okay reading it, all right? But please, guys, just for the future, let me know if there's anything that you don't want me to mention, like your real name, if you go like with a handle, or if there's things you don't want me to read aloud. Please let me know, okay? Dear Frugal Mom and Company. Oh, I like that. Frugal Mom and Company. You'll be happy to know your videos have inspired me to start cleaning out my house and drawers. Without you, I never, in capital letters, would have known what to do with all these notepads and Post-its and supplies. Glad to know they can serve a purpose. And what she's talking about is all these notepads in there's a million different ones. And the thing is, these guys, you know, these are good for scrapbooking. These are good just for letting the kids play with on our way, you know, on our road trips, our many road trips. We go through so many of these, and luckily we find tons of them in the bins every summer, but we absolutely use them. And again, like I was saying, like the flip books that they like to do, tons of them. Index cards, all of this. There are purposes and uses for things that maybe we don't think of, you know, right away. So get creative when it comes to stuff like this. Laura's absolutely right. There are a million different things that you can do with these, and simple things that will keep your kids entertained for hours and hours. Not just kids, adults too. I don't know about you, but I love having like a notebook with me all the time, just in case I feel like writing something down that's, you know, going to evaporate if I don't write it down right away. Ooh, look at these. Now these are all sticky notes. These are all sticky notes in assorted colors. These little ones right here, these little Post-its work really well for the flip books. I know Olivia will claim these right away. She might do some with the bigger ones, but like the little tiny ones just work really well for flipping because, I don't know, it's just the size of them. If you've ever done the little flip books, you know what I mean. We have a bunch of gift bags, like goodie bags, party favor bags. Those always come in handy. Oh no! No. And it's even Eeyore. Oh. Look at this. They're Christmas cards. They're all the same. There's a whole bunch of them. Do you know what I'm going to do with these? I am going to send these out to my Patreon patrons this year. That is what I'm going to do with these. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, those are so fun. Okay, well, I'm going to keep one for me though. I think it's only fair, and I think I should. Moving right along. Oh, look, we've got a million goodies in here. I love when it's just all kinds of, you just don't know what you're going to get. It's just the same as when I'm in the bins. It's treasure hunting, and it's surprise after surprise after surprise. I like that. We've got pretend money. We'll add that to our other pretend money because they learned a little bit. Reagan learned a little bit about money and telling time last year, but we really need to work on it, and yeah, we need to go back over. These are my favorite kinds of paper clips. I don't know what it is about these kind, but I love them, and there's a whole bag of them. They just make me feel very professional or scholarly having these kind of paper clips. Like I said, it's the simple things, guys. It's the simple things in life. A whole bunch of rulers. These are little ones, though, with like stencils and shapes. A Christmas one right there. A Halloween. This is like a bookmark. See that? I'm going to add that to our bookmarks in our reading station. We've got, oh, look at this. You can't because I'm not showing it to you. Sorry. Whole bunch of push pins. That's another thing that we go through and we lose like crazy. Push pins. Why? They're almost as bad as socks. I don't know. Oh, these are awesome. These are, let's see, happy tacks. They're ginormous tacks with happy faces on them. Oh, we've got treat bags. We've got seeds, crossword puzzles. That's mine. That's mine. This is what I do in the bathroom, since you wanted to know. Crosswords and word searches. Those are my bathroom entertainment. So that's mine. CD cases. I mean, this is all kinds of, let's see. Oh, erasers. What is it? It's all these kinds of things. Laura, it's like you know that these are the kinds of things that you need all the time, but you lose them. Why? They just disappear. Or you use them up. But more often for us, it's we lose them. And then, you know, we need more. Not now. Rubber bands, magnets. You guys know I'm into magnets, right? We happen to have a dumpster diver magnet board and a clean fridge ready to receive magnets. Yes. Our P.O. box address is in the video description. But these magnets are empty, and I will add them to our crafting supplies for when we need more. Oh, a whole bunch of little dipsticks, like tasting spoons. Add those. We also have lots of like the tongue depressors, popsicle sticks, skewers. I have all those in a drawer thingy. Adding these to that. Huge craft stick, glue stick, and an adorable little stamp with the puppy. Look at the puppy. That's really cute. That is really cute. Oh, crafting supplies galore, which you know we will use. We're always crafting stuff. I mean, there's always something going on. I think I've gotten to all of it. I have to say, my very favorite is him. He's just so adorable. And Mariah and the kids figured out how to use these things. Mariah's showing you. So they're loving those. I need to get all of this put away, all of this fantasticness, and show Olivia the little flippers, because you know there's going to be some books made out of these. And you know what? I think we'll do a video of these on her channel, which is linked in the video description. Lulu Loves Life. She's been doing lots of stop motion, different things. I think I'm going to have her do some of those. Maybe we'll make a video of that. We'll let you know. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is fantastic. You guys are so generous with us. So kind. It just makes my day. I never would have imagined in starting this channel that my fellow dumpster divers would want to share their finds and treasures with us. I never would have guessed. I never would have. And it's wonderful. It's wonderful. If this is all from the bins, some of it I think she said was from her home as well, you know, doing her deep cleaning. Good job. But think about it. If they were from the bins, all of these useful craft supplies and paper supplies would have just ended up in the landfill. And then other things that were just cluttering her house are now going to go to good use. That's what we're doing, guys. I can't save the world all by myself, all right? But it's these little things that we can do that are they're making a difference. Just one at a time, all of us just thinking a little differently, thinking about repurposing rather than throwing away, or finding people that can use the things that we don't need and that are cluttering up our home. I don't want you to live in a house of clutter in order to save everything from the bins, from the landfills. No, I want this for myself also, to move the stuff on to where it needs to go so that it will be used and will actually have a second life. Anyway, okay, we've got so much to do. More eBay to get listed, and gotta get the kids ready for school tomorrow. Plus, it's my anniversary. So, you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. Thank you for everything that you do and all the ways that you are making positive changes for your world around you and the world as a whole. Together, we're going to make a difference. Have a great day, Frugal. Thank you!